In this video, we're going to be doing a new construction model home walkthrough tour of the Drayton Floorplan by DRB Homes right here in Meadows subdivision in Moore, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Lawrence County, Pickens County, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at the Drayton Floorplan by DRB Homes. And the Drayton is a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom home right here in Meadows. The square footage on this one is a little over 2,800 square feet. So we're going to pan around, take a look at this neighborhood. This is a brand new community right here in Moore, South Carolina. They're still in the first phase of this development. Actually, nobody has actually moved into this neighborhood yet. They do have some homes that are finished and quick move-in homes, and the builder is currently offering up to $21,000 in flex cash if you build from scratch. Okay, so now this particular Drayton right now is available for sale, and it's listed for $374,990. Now they've actually applied their incentives that they're offering. They've already applied it off the price of this home. Original price was $409,990, so they've actually discounted it already. All right, so we're gonna go inside and check it out. Super long driveway. I'm gonna back up here so you can really get a good look at this driveway. Very long driveway. You could probably put maybe 6 cars or more. Obviously 2 inside the 2-car garage as well. Okay, we've done the model home tours for the 2 models that they actually have in this community. So if you haven't looked at those already, feel free to check out the rest of our videos so you can be able to check those out. Nice little front porch here. And let's go on inside and check it out. You got a nice little glass in the door here, so let in some additional natural light in. Wide entryway. And to the right here is the flex room. Could be a study, formal living room, whatever you want to use it for. Ideally, it would probably be nice, like a nice study office area. You got the double doors there to close it off, and that goes into the dining room. You got the powder room right here. Black fixtures. There's a linen closet. White plank, luxury vinyl plank flooring. I said it's the dining room here, and that, you have access into the kitchen from that side. Garage, 2-car garage. Automatic door opener. We do have a little extra space on this side, and the gas water heater. Okay. And all black door handles. Got a nice little closet here. And that goes upstairs. We'll go upstairs in a moment. To the left here, you got the family room, gas log fireplace, plenty of recessed lighting in the ceilings here. So very nicely lit. Lots of counter space, cabinet space, subway tile backsplash. You got a little area here. You can put bar stools, a couple of bar stools over here. Stainless steel appliances. You got the pantry closet here. Decent sized pantry closet. And obviously that goes back into that dining room area. Now this one already has the refrigerator in it because they've already gone ahead and put the move-in package in this home. So you can see there are blinds over there, the refrigerator obviously, and then you have washer and dryer upstairs as well. A couple of pendant lights here, gas range, and so you got the built-in microwave, you got the black pulls on the cabinets, stainless steel dishwasher, single bowl sink. Okay, and over here in the island, you've got the cabinets there and the pull-outs as well. So, okay, We'll go upstairs in a moment. You got a little sunroom area right here. So plenty of windows there. Lets in plenty of natural light. Covered patio. Ceiling fan out here as well. Okay. Not too big, not too small, and it is fully sodded. This neighborhood here, they will have a pool and cabana, which I'll show you once we finish the tour. You know, I'll drive around the neighborhood and show you the neighborhood. They are building the pool area right now, but they will have a pool and cabana in the community. So you do have amenities here as well. So let's go check out the upstairs in this home and see what you think. Hardwood stairs, and you got these nice, you know, wrought iron spindles here. You know, makes it a little bit more open, so you don't have all those, you know, half walls, knee wall, you know, blocking the natural light coming into the home. And you do have the LVP right here in the loft area as well. So it's a 3 bedrooms with a loft, plenty of recessed lights up here as well. And just pan around real quick. And the attic access is right up here. So it's pull down, disappearing stairs. Okay, let's check out the bathroom here first. Double sinks and a linen closet right in here. The black fixtures, toilet and the tub shower in there. One of the bedrooms, decent sized room here. Walk-in closet. You got the little attic access right over there. And to the right here, you got the laundry room. Like I said, the move-in package has already been put into this home, so you have the washer and dryer included. And another bedroom here. You know, this one's definitely bigger than the other one. So good sized room. There's a window in the walk-in closet as well. Very, very good sized room. Okay. Let's check out the owner's suite. Good sized owner's suite. Large room. Okay. And big shower, huge. You got a bench seat, full bench seat right over there. Towel all the way to the ceiling. Double sinks, obviously the black fixtures. And you got the water closet, toilet area, and it's private, so you have a door there. And black pools and the cabinet space there. And huge walk-in closet. Look how big this thing is. Wow, it's huge. And that is the Drayton floor plan by DRB Homes. So like I said, right now, if you wanted to build from scratch, and DRB is actually one of those builders that's actually still allowing you to build from scratch. So you could pick a lot and pick a plan that you love and you can build it. So the Drayton is just one of the plans that they offer in this community. This particular one is available for sale, but if you are looking for something a little bit different colors, maybe you don't like the white cabinets and you wanted something with, you know, more brownish tone or a different color, you can build it from scratch. And right now, DRB is offering $21,000 in flex cash. You can take it off the price. use it to upgrade the home, pay your closing costs, buy down your interest rate, however you want to use that flex cash for. The lender, if you use their preferred lender, the lender is also offering I think $2,000 right now in lender credit. So if you are interested in this particular Drayton home or any other homes for sale right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click the link below or scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. If you like these videos, please feel free to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.